With each new day, Africa writes a story of surpassing boundaries, a testament to resilience and ingenuity. The Design and Technology Institute is at the heart of this narrative, acting as architects of change and champions of solutions that reach beyond the horizon.
My journey in industry started close to 26 years ago. As a young graduate that had come out of university, armed with no industry skills and on a search for a job, I realized very quickly that industry was not interested in hiring graduates who didn't have the sort of skill sets that was required. So as a young person armed with a degree that was not really of any use to industry, I was compelled to start my own business. And so I started Accent and Arts, which is into metal fabrication, about 24 years ago. And very quickly, I realized that the sort of jobs that were coming my way, my workers who had come from the informal sector as artisans didn't have any sort of formal training. And so I was grappling with artisans and workers who were working on high quality jobs, and I had to do a lot of the training myself. At the same time, we also had university graduates that were asking to do some sort of internship in the factory. And so I realized that there was a void in the system. Nobody was really connecting the dots between academia and the world of work. So this led to the DTI vision and the DTI story.
Over the past 4 years, DTI has experienced a 490% growth, graduating over 450 learners who have embarked on a journey not just to learn, but to lead, not just to participate, but to pioneer.
Looking back, my experience at DTI has shaped me into a skilled and knowledgeable welder, providing me with solid foundation for my career. The hand-on training and industry-specific curriculum has been invaluable in preparing me for the world of work. I'm very confident that I can take any welding qualification test and passed it very easily because of my exposure to welding in DTI and in Harlequin.
He has a perfect attendance record and a hard-working personnel. He is a team player, intelligent, and also when it's come to housekeeping, he involves himself at all times. So looking at all these things, you could see that others don't have that attitude. That is why I can boldly say Joseph is a step now.
My name is Valerie Labby, and I'm the co-founder and CEO of Wahoo Mobility. At Wahoo, we design, localize, and manufacture at scale electric vehicles. And the first vehicle that we've gone to market with is our signature e-bike. Along this journey, we have needed the right partnerships. One of the most important partnerships for us is how do we crowd in the brightest minds, the most technical talents, people who can build, can design, can innovate right here in Ghana. And sourcing those people, finding those people was extremely difficult until we started our partnership with DTI. One of the things that stands out for me around the type of students that come from DTI is their ability to commit to something, to commit to a level of excellence, to commit to a level of brilliance. And this really resonates in all the students that we've had in all the different areas. They come to work on time, they come to work polished, they ask questions, they're curious, and which means that they're able to learn very quickly in very dynamic environments, especially startup environments like ours.
The ripple effect of DTI's precision quality framework extends far beyond its classrooms. It has empowered over 9,000 students and instructors in over 3 universities, shattering barriers and building bridges to previously unimaginable opportunities.
As an offshoot of our collaboration with DTI and the Precision Quality Training, we signed an MOU with Japan Motors. Japan Motors set up their maintenance session with our mechanical engineering department. That collaboration has led to a live training, train our technicians and faculty who provide training to our learners. Industry will always not wait for we in the academia to reach out. DTI took the first step, and as a result of that, we have other industry players like Japan Motors coming around.
The DTI vision transcends the borders of Ghana. It is an African vision. It is the African renaissance of the labor market. Africa is very young. We are poised to have the largest labor force in the world by 2050. And so the sort of investment that we start making now means that we will be able to kickstart our own industrialization agenda and also serve the labor markets of the rest of the world. The DTI campus and its future campus is only a catalyst of what good can look like. So as a center of excellence, we want to partner with the best design schools in the world. We want to partner with the best industries in the world. I would like to see the Apple set up its first factory on the Buxton campus. I would want to see industries that are in the need of labor moving factories from China, because it's happening right here. It's happening right here because we have the right labor market, we have students and artisans with the right framework, and more importantly, we understand the concept of precision quality and how it would serve to unlock the potentials of jobs in Africa.
This is an invitation to join a movement where solutions are born from collaboration, innovation, and a relentless belief in the potential of Africa's youth. Ready to leave your mark on Africa? Visit www.dtiafrica.com.